Hey guys, it's Morgan. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration and show you guys how to commit to a GitHub repository. Hopefully, this will be a little companion guide to alleviate some of the confusion with how we're going to be working with this and how we're going to be allowing you guys to push write-ups and different things like that. So I'm going to start here. This is the APSU Cyber Club GitHub page. You can see up here in the top right-hand corner, my little beautiful face here. And we have this test repository. So I'm going to go over to the test repo, and I'm going to click on the test push file. You can see that it's currently doesn't have anything in it. So I am going to go over here to edit this file and in your fork of this project. So forking is effectively creating a copy of a repository and then moving it to your own GitHub page. From here, you can do edits and whatnot. It won't affect the main branch, but you'll use that to commit, as I'll show here in a second. So we'll go ahead and hit edit, and we'll put like, this is a test push or something like that. APSU Cyber Rocks. Cool. All right. So I will commit changes, and it will give me the proposed change. You can add descriptions and things like that, and we'll propose that. Okay. So now I have submitted a change. I'm going to go and create a pull request, which is going to ask the owner of the repository that I forked and am adjusting, which is the APSU Cyber Club, say like, hey, these are the changes I've made. Can you look at them and pull them into the main repository so that everybody can do it? And this is good for collaboration and stuff like that. So we'll create a pull request. Of course, you would put a description and the like there. And that pull request is created. We can see the status here, and we'll navigate over to the APSU Cyber Club repository that I have here. I'm logged in, and we'll refresh this page. We can see up here under the pull requests, we have two pull requests. Now, this isn't something you guys are going to see. This is something that I'm managing, and I will look at pull requests and the like and commit them to the main branch as appropriate. So we'll go over to pull requests. And we see we have two. This is the one I did earlier, and this is the one I just did. So we're going to go to update the push or test push. And here I can review what you did. Obviously, I didn't put any description or anything in here, but we can go to commits and we can see the commits added. The green is the things that have changed. And so I can see that I added that there. Okay. I'll go back to my requests, update, test push, and I can merge the pull request, which effectively takes all of the changes made in the forked repository and pulls it into the main branch. So any changes that my account Morgan Britt made and submitted as a pull request, the APSU Cyber user can pull it into their repository so that any other collaborators can look at the changes that I've made. This is also a good part of Git, which is versioning control, where you can see what was made, what I did, and what was made before that. It's kind of like a snapshot of the project as it's being developed. So, as the APSU Cyber Club user, I will merge the pull request, and I will confirm the merge, which means I took the changes in the forked repository on the Morgan Britt user, and I pulled it into the main branch. And now, if we go over here to the test repository and we take a look here, the test push file, we can see that my user updated this file, and it is now a part of the APSU Cyber Club's repository. Now, if you're added as a collaborator on one of the repositories like the Try Hack Me ones, you won't have to go through this process. You'll be able to commit directly to the main branch. But if you aren't a collaborator, this is the process that you're going to go through. Additionally, when you guys post your Try Hack Me write-ups, and I'll give you an example here. Yesterday, after the club meeting, I created this for everybody. So if you wanted to go commit write-ups, you could. I'll add a README file later. And JC went ahead and did it for the read my cert. And so you can go and look, and this is the write-up that she did. Now, if you wanted to edit this, you can go in and you can hit, edit, and you can make changes and things like that. I will look at them and I'll merge them as appropriate. But I think it's important to note that every write-up that we do, if you commit it, we'll pull it in, and then other users can go in and do like further explanations, further detailing, and different things like that. And so this will host the official write-ups, I guess you could say, for the APSU Cyber Club. Now, I still encourage all of you to do your own write-ups and host that on your personal GitHub page. I still think that's good, as a show of, hey, I'm contributing to a club, but I also have my own portfolio, so to say. And so I'm hoping this clears up things for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'm really hoping this will make the process a little bit easier for you. And if you need, more guidance on different parts of GitHub and things like that, I'm also here and happy to help. So let me guys know. Thanks.